Hi students, in this video lecture we are going to see about fundamentals of character set. Identifier and keywords. In language, identifiers are the names given to variables, constants, functions and user-defined data. Rules for an identifier. Identifiers are formed with alphabets, digits and a special character underscore. The first character must be a letter of the alphabet or underscore. No special characters are allowed other than underscore. They are case sensitive. In this slide you can see the example for the identifier. Let's move on to the character set. In C language, characters are grouped into the following categories. Letters, which means alphabets A to Z. Digits, all digits like 0 to 9, special characters such as colon, semicolon, period, underscore, ampersand and etc. and also white spaces. Let's move on to keywords. There are certain reserved words called keywords which have standard and predefined meanings in C. These keywords can be used only for their intended purpose and not as programmer-defined variables. They should be written in lowercase only. Some of the examples for keywords are break, continue and care. Data types. C supports different types of data. Each type is represented differently within the computer's memory. It can be classified as follows. Fundamental data types. These are the basic data types that are used to represent the actual data in the memory. First, int. The integer numbers are represented using the int data type. An integer is a whole number such as 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, etc. Another one is char. This type is used to represent a single character or group of characters, that is string. Next one is float. The floating point numbers contain decimals. And double. The type double is similar to type float. A variable declared as type double can store twice as much precision as represented by a float variable. In data type, we have two different aspects. One is fundamental data type, another one is derived data types. In previous slide, we have seen about fundamental data types. Here, we are going to see about derived data types. Derived data types are built from the basic data types. C permits the following derived data types. They are array, structure, union, and typedef. Constants. Constants referred to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. Let's see the different types of constants. First one is integer constant. Second one is real or floating point constants. Third one is octal constant. And fourth one is hexadecimal constant. And fifth one is character constants. At last, string constants. Variables. A variable is an identifier. It occupies space in the memory. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits and the underscore character. Some of the variables are char, int, float, double and void. Here we are going to see about the rules for naming a variable. The first and foremost rule is variable names must begin with either a letter of the alphabet or underscore. And the second character may be followed by a sequence of letters or digits. There is no limit regarding the length of the variable. The variable name should not be a reserved word. No special characters should be used other than underscore. Both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used, but they are not treated as same. They are case sensitive. Any variable should be declared before it is used in the program. Students, Hope you are all understood about the topic. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.